get through, cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of left, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty.
What's up, people? Yeah, it's your guy, The Better. Today, we're going to focus on how I trade crypto. Most of you are wondering, like, The Better, how do you come about, these amazing signals? Those of you who are part of my community, who are in my group, you are wondering, like, The Better, how come you, come about these signals that you give us every now and then, and it has been, to an extent accurate. Today, I'm gonna walk you guys through the process, how I go about doing this. So you are welcome here on my platform. I'm your guy, David Tong. I'm always excited to be here with you guys to share what is going on in the crypto market, avoiding the noise out there, focusing on the chart. The charts alone are going to tell you what is going on in the market. We're going to be making a lot of money in this space, now, tomorrow, the days to come. So you want to smash the subscribe button right now if, say, you want to stay updated, with what is going on in the market. Shout out to all of you who have been part of my channel ever since I started this, whole journey. You guys are amazing. You've always been with me, following my content. I give shout out to you, for always being there with me. And those of you who are coming here for the first time, yeah, it's just all about crypto. Just giving you guys amazing stuff going on in the market, and today I want to give you guys everything, like, from scratch to bottom, regardless of what is going on in the market. I want us all to be making money, like make money in this industry as the bull market approach, right? So haven't said much, let's just dive, right away into what I got here for you guys. Guys, actually, I have to pull this chart here. Let me pull this chart here quickly so we can get this properly. I want us to really focus on what I do. First, I have made a video about this, like banter bubble. Guys, the first thing I do, like, of course, when I wake up, I just like not always, but most of the time I wake up and I go straight to my computer. But there are times that I wake up and I try to this is gone. Let me refresh this a little bit. Okay, it's back. I try to maybe rest a little bit. My wife gave me a good cup of coffee, right? And yes, whenever I wake up and my mind is thinking crypto, just go and start doing stuff. What I look at first, when I sit on my desk or my sit, on my computer, I look at crypto bubble, what is going on in the market. I try to look at, the daily time frame, what is going on for the day. I try to look at also what is going on in like for the hour. I also like either I use crypto bubble or I use banter bubble. Either of them is cool. But the reason why I use banter bubble often nowadays is because they have amazing stuff going on within the community, and this banter bubble chat is pretty cool. Like you can see, they have fundamentals here. They have social aspect of this banter bubble. You can go into any project, you click on it, you can see discussion, you can see also the performance, you can see the exchanges that this token is listed on, like Pepe. And when you go to the exchange, you will see about section. It's gonna give you briefly about the tokens. I think to an extent they have technicals and fundamentals embedded in the system that I love so much, and I most of the time I use, like, I go there at once, for like at first. You can see it like right now. For example, if say I am to trade, I try to look at hourly performance, and when I look at the like performance for the hour, I see that most coins, for the hour are like for example, Lido is up like 7%, meaning maybe it might start to go to the upside. You can see ApeCoin is up to an extent, like almost 1%. Dot is up 69%. But if say we look on the daily time frame, like today, you're gonna see that to an extent, Pepe is up 6%. You know, like yeah, Pepe is up like 6%. No, Pepe is up 10% for today. Like today alone, Pepe is up 10%, and Shiba Inu is up 8%. Argo is up 4%. So I look at all this and I look at the coins that are not up today. And you can see here GMX is one of the coins that are not up today. Like to an extent, they are still minus 3%. OP is minus 2%. Before GMX was minus 5% before I did the show. So I'm gonna now focus on GMX and OP. So if say I go to the to like I scroll down a little bit, I'm gonna search for GMX here to see what has been going on, like for the past hour. You can see GMX is up for the past hour 14%, and for the year I think let me see not G, GMX. Yeah, GMX. Yeah, it's up for the hour. You can see here it's up for the hour for 14%. I don't know why it keeps saying DMX, GMX, not DMX. Why you say let me GMX? I don't know why this keyboard is giving me something else. GMX, not DMX, not the start DMX. GMX, not GMX. Yeah. So we can see here, guys. It shows that GMX has been up for the past hour like 14%. For the day, it's like 3%. Let's say almost let's say 4% for the week. It has been up. It has been down actually 3%. Then for the month is down 9%. So this token is like, I might want to look at entries, like, okay, what am I gonna do right now for this token? I'm gonna see if say this like a good entry for me. And before I even do that, I try to look at where Bitcoin is. And looking at it today, Bitcoin is up today almost not like almost 3%. Let me say 3%, because Bitcoin has been doing so well today. Meaning, OP also is gonna be doing well, and GMS is gonna do well as well. CAS is not doing well for today. I think maybe because CAS has been up like crazy recently. So I'm gonna focus now, on these two first before I can look at any other coins out there. You say I will get opportunity to buy them. So this is what I do. Like, then I also go to Coin Market Cap. Check on the market cap for today, like what has been going on. You can see it has increased 2.36%. It means that the market is somehow bullish today. You can see the total market cap is 1.18 trillion. That's awesome. So now the next step, the next stage is for me to go to my charts and look at what is going on there. Now, what I do first, like as I mentioned, I have check on Bitcoin. I've checked on also the coins that are like that might pump maybe for the next like for the next hour or the next yeah, for the next hour or the next day or something. They haven't yet pumped. So I now come to my chart, as I mentioned. There's different indicators that I use, but I'm not gonna dwell on this one now. I'm gonna get to another chart, not this one. I want to get to. Let me refresh this chart so I can get what I have been working on recently, so you guys can see properly like the setup that I do. Okay. This is not, I don't want this one. Let me try to see if I can get Predmeco. Let me see. Let me refresh this again also, so I can get I've been doing some think analysis on different projects recently. So now looking at the market right now, I can see that this is a 200. This is Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is sitting. This is the daily, the 4 hours time frame. Like I always want to trade on the 4 hours time frame. Then I get like it gives me more momentum. So I look at the 4 hours time frame, looking at this price action. It tells me that this yellow moving average is the let me see. This is the 20-day moving average on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, the moving average is above. I mean, the price is above the 20-day moving average, and price also is above the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average, meaning price is bullish long term, like long term. So Bitcoin looks bullish, and I can see here that there's a candle for Bitcoin which has been printed, on the 4 hours. So let's say for the past since yesterday, Bitcoin has actually been moving to the upside. You can see here this candle, after Bitcoin get to 28,700, we saw this huge buyback, and I talk about this on my channel, and now we are seeing Bitcoin going back towards, I think, $30,000, right, per Bitcoin. So it means that there's momentum in the market, right, with Bitcoin. So now I'm gonna get to GMX, this GMX, to see what has been going on. So first, I'm gonna take out this indicator, like this Predimoku. I'm gonna take it out, so we can get a clean chart. Now, looking at this indicator, I have different indicators here that I use. Like I use the MACD to show me what is going on in the market. I also use this market cipher. This is a new indicator that I started using today. Like yesterday, I did a lot of backtests, a lot of studies with the indicator, and what I've realized so far is that right now, when I look at this coin, because the price is below the 200-day moving average, so I am gonna be looking for a short instead, right? Because nothing can tell me that there's gonna be like a huge spike to the upside. You can see here on the 4 hour time frame, you can see here price has been moving like downward until I see break of this structure before I can say, okay, this is gonna be a crazy ride for me. So anything I do here, if say I'm gonna be buying this, gonna be looking for a way to buy GMX, then the area where I'm gonna try to take out profits, is gonna be at this moving average, right? So I'm gonna just try to say, okay, if say price is not gonna break this zone here, there's an area here. We saw that price tried to go to the downside, but there was a pullback. But as it stands, price is moving around this area, and if say I zoom back, I'm gonna see that this area is an area of value, like back then, or let's say days back. I'm gonna put this triangle, not triangle, let's say triangle, let me put it that way. So I'm gonna mark this area as an area of value that I know, in this area I'm gonna be accumulating or buying this coin. So this area, I want to see price move around this area. I don't want to see price break below. So if say I'm buying this token right now, looking at this area, like for my take profit, right, then I'm going to make sure if say price break this triangle, like trade below this area, then I'm gonna run away and take out like have a stop loss there. So I don't want to see price break below. Yeah. Now, if say I bring now the Podimoku, it's gonna give me a clear signal as to what is going on in the market right now with this coin. This is the 4 hours time frame. Actually, maybe you guys might not be seeing it properly, but now there's a zone here that I think you can see this yellow dot, line here. This line, like you can see, is actually below the zone that I marked, that if say price goes below that zone, I want to take out profits. So right now I should expect price to move around this moving average. But why should I buy when there's no clear signal? I won't buy right now because there's not clear signal. So I want to see if say there is a clear signal. So I'm gonna take out this with the Moko, because I have seen that okay, there's a cool support here, and also my target is gonna be this the other high here on the 4 hours time frame. Say I'm gonna buy this token. This is where I want to take out profit at 56, because I see this other printed dot here. This dot to the upside, it shows that around the 56.87 price point. That's where, if say I'm buying GMX, that's where I want to take out profit. So I'm gonna go back and take out this Podimoku indicator, out. Then what I'm gonna bring here now is gonna be the I'm gonna bring the Fibonacci, retracement tool. So what I want to do now is gonna place this um from bottom to top to see where I can get a clear entry if say price is going to the upside. Now I'm gonna go back to the lower time frame to see if say this indicator have respected itself on the lower time frame. That's the 4 hour time frame. Now you can see, if I zoom this a little bit, you can see here that price bounced immediately. Like price have bounced at this this indicator on the daily time frame. So I want to see price hold. I want to see price break and start making higher highs, right? If price start making higher highs and get to this zone here, this is the zone where I want to buy. And if say price like move upward and hold this zone, like if price do this, hold this zone, that's where I want to start buying. I want to start buying, place an order here. Then my stop loss is gonna be at the same level where I told you guys. So if say I place this trade now, it's gonna be a bad trade, so I'm gonna wait a little bit. But at the meantime, I'm still gonna look at also other coins that I think I might be trading short term, like scalp, while I wait for this big move. Like I know that there might be a big move with GMX because it hasn't yet pumped, right? Maybe the next 4 hours, the next 8 hours, you have to be patient enough to wait for it to happen before you can take out or make the trade. So to an extent, I want to believe this makes sense to you guys who are investing. And I always say to you guys that always make sure you look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the alpha. Bitcoin gives the signal in the market. This is just one coin. There are many coins out there that you are trading. Maybe they are not here. You perform the same analysis. Like I haven't even gone down to talk about all these other indicator here. Like you can see the MACD shows that I'm not gonna buy it because the MACD hasn't yet crossed. You can see this blue moving average on the MACD haven't yet crossed. So why should I buy it? Let me bring the MACD a little bit. You can see the MACD is now that the MACD is trying to cross on the 1 hour time frame. So this is where I can say, okay, if the MACD cross, then I can look for a buy order. And also looking at this indicator, I don't want to talk more about this. This is going to be a whole video about this market cipher indicator, because it's still a new indicator that I discovered yesterday. I knew about it, but I discovered this free version and I've been playing around. But this one here, this is the TradingView shows that it's still bearish. So I'm not gonna start looking for ways to buy GMX. I'm gonna wait to see if say my analysis is confirmed. Then I'm gonna place that order. As it stands, you can see price is gonna move around this zone here. So this is how I go about looking for the coins that I want to trade every day. I make sure I do this, I perform these tasks so that I don't make mistake in the market. It's really important, guys. You focus on this aspect if say you want to make money in this industry. So this video was long, 21 minutes so far. I want to believe it was helpful to you. Perform these tasks, and if say you are not okay, now, guys, even if you didn't you wake up and you realize that Bitcoin is up, you would have still been making money, right? Because I always advise you guys to keep your money in Bitcoin. Don't keep your money in the dollar, like in USDT. Put your money in Bitcoin. When Bitcoin moves, like when you wake up and you realize Bitcoin has moved 4% or 2%, right? Then you look at the level where Bitcoin is, and you look at the coins that haven't yet moved. That's when you start looking at what coin you want to put your Bitcoin, sell your Bitcoin to, because what's going to happen with that coin is up, 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 not down, 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 down. So that's how I go about, buying, selling, or different crypto out there. I don't go with the noise. I don't look at the noise to, derail me from my plan. I make sure I focus on the charts to tell me what is going on, what is happening in the market. And ever since I started doing this, I've been making, awesome gains with this. Those of you who haven't yet subscribed to my platform, you are watching this video, then make sure you smash that subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my content. Follow me on X, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. I am all there, on this platform with the name Dibetong. So go there and make sure you are part of my platform, guys. That's it for today. No more to say. Tomorrow the same time, 7 p.m. Yeah, 7 p.m. tomorrow, same time. I'm gonna be doing this. I didn't do it yesterday. But I'm gonna make sure I do this Mondays to Fridays. Every Friday I have an amazing show with Lore. And recently we started a podcast on Twitter, where we're going to be answering most of your questions, helping you to onboard crypto. So make sure you join us on every Sunday. That's going to be 9 p.m. TC +2, 9 p.m. And UK time it's going to be 4. I think UK time is gonna be 8 p.m. something like that. I don't know. Sorry, but just make sure you check out Twitter, be part of my Twitter platform. So whenever there's something like that, you're gonna be notified. So guys, that's it for today. Have a nice day and take care of yourself. Bye bye. Ciao.